Hello, everyone. Welcome to Intellicraft. In this segment, I will demonstrate how to use the Parents Portal in the system. Let's get started. After logging into the application, you will be directed to the Student Dashboard. Here, you will find quick access options for the features. In the Homework section, you can view all homework details, download attachments, and even upload completed homework from your end. Next is the Notice Board, where you can open messages and download any shared attachments. In the Observations section, you can see remarks given by teachers along with any attached documents. You can also view the calendar, which displays upcoming holidays or events and attendance details. Now, let's explore each section. Go to the Timetable section. Here you can view the class timetable along with the schedule for each day of the week. Next, go to Communication, where you can view messages shared by the school, download documents, and even send messages by selecting the receiver, entering a subject, writing your message, and attaching files. Then, in PTM Management, you can view all scheduled parent-teacher meetings and also book or cancel meetings for the given slot as required. In the Attendance section, you can check detailed attendance records of the student. To request leave, go to Apply Leave. Here you can view previously requested leaves, delete requests if needed, and apply for new leave by selecting single or multiple leaves, dates along with the reason. Next, in the Pay Fees section, you can view payment plans and pending fees. Select a plan, click on Proceed to Payment, and complete the payment using your preferred method. In the Receipt tab, you can view and download fee receipts, and in the Payment History, you can see an overview of all payments made. Moving on to the Student Info section, you can view detailed information such as student details, parent details, fee records, receipt records, attendance summary, exam performance, and observations. In the Library section, you can check issued books and library records. From the Fine Management tab, you can also pay any outstanding fines. Finally, in the Report Card section, you can view the student's academic report card. And that's how you can easily access and manage student information using the Parents Portal in Intellicraft. Thank you for watching this demo.